After that, you need to install the Bluestack from a Google. Just go to Google, then you type Bluestack. For what you have, Windows 10 or Windows level, what you have. Here, you go and download the Bluestack. Yeah, I already done it. So after that, Bluestack will be, open your Bluestack in your system. After it open, just search for an app, L Fun Pro. If you won't find here means, just drag down. There is an called search in Google Play. Once you click means, in new user it asks for an sign in. You can sign in. I already sign in. So there is one app called Fun Pro. You just open the app. Yeah, this was an app interface.